Every night, billions of stars light up the sky. For thousands of years, people have looked at them with wonder, asking the same questions. Are stars just distant suns, or do they hold hidden secrets? Can they predict our future? Do they guide our destiny? Or are these simply ancient myths? Welcome to Myths and Mysteries. Today, we are exploring the fascinating myths, legends, and scientific mysteries surrounding the stars. The beginning. Long before telescopes existed, people relied on the stars to understand the world. Ancient Egyptians used them to predict the flooding of the Nile. Greek sailors navigated by them. Desert travelers crossed vast landscapes using the stars as their guide. Because stars seemed eternal and mysterious, many civilizations believed they carried messages from the gods. Famous myths about the stars. Stars control our destiny. Many people believe that the position of the stars at birth determines a person's future and personality. This belief forms the basis of astrology. However, astronomy, the scientific study of stars, has found no evidence that stars influence our daily lives or decisions. Number 2. Every person has their own star. A popular belief says that every person is connected to a unique star in the sky. While this idea appears in many cultures and stories, it is symbolic rather than scientific. Myth 3. Wishing upon a shooting star brings good luck. Across many cultures, people make wishes when they see a shooting star. In reality, a shooting star is usually not a star at all. It is a tiny piece of rock or dust burning up in the Earth's atmosphere, creating a bright streak of light. The real mysteries of the stars. Even with modern science, stars still hold many secrets. Scientists continue to study how the very first stars formed after the Big Bang, what happens inside the massive stars before they explode as supernovas, how black holes are created after certain stars died, whether planets around distant stars could support life. Every new telescope helps us uncover more of these cosmic mysteries. Now we will discuss about some amazing facts. Our sun is a star and just one of hundreds of billions in the Milky Way galaxy. The light from some stars take thousands or even millions of years to reach Earth. Some stars we see today may no longer exist because their light is still traveling through space. The largest known stars are so enormous that millions of suns could fit inside them. The stars have inspired myths, guided travelers, and sparked humanity's curiosity for thousands of years. While science has explained many of their mysteries, the universe still holds countless secrets waiting to be discovered. Perhaps the greatest mystery isn't the stars themselves, but how much we have yet to learn about them. So, in the end, I would like to say that did any of these mysteries surprise you? Which mystery of the universe would you like us to explore next? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more episodes of Myths and Mysteries. Until next time, keep looking up because the universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered.